Zapier Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Zapier are in the description below. In this video, I'll be reviewing Zapier, one of the most popular business automation tools that helps automate repetitive tasks between over 5,000 apps. Whether you're a small business owner, marketer, or part of a larger enterprise, Zapier makes it simple to integrate different tools and streamline workflows without the need for any coding. Zapier's primary strength lies in its workflow automation feature, where you can set up zaps, automated workflows that connect your favorite apps. For example, you can automatically create a new lead in your CRM whenever a form is submitted on your website, or send a notification to Slack whenever a new order is placed in your e-commerce store. With Zapier, this all happens automatically, saving you a lot of time and manual effort. The platform's no-code interface makes it accessible even for non-technical users. You can quickly set up workflows by selecting a trigger app, defining actions, and then linking them to other apps. It's that simple. For more complex workflows, you have the option to use multi-step zaps, adding more depth to your automations and increasing efficiency. Another feature that stands out is app integrations. Zapier supports a wide range of popular applications, from email marketing tools like MailChimp to CRMs like HubSpot to accounting tools like QuickBooks. It's perfect for businesses that need to connect multiple tools without having to manually transfer data between them. While Zapier offers powerful automation capabilities, there are a few limitations, such as the pricing model that might not suit very small businesses or startups on a tight budget. However, for medium to large businesses, the value is clear. It can save countless hours in manual tasks. In conclusion, Zapier is an essential tool for automating workflows across a wide range of applications. If you're looking to reduce manual work and increase efficiency, this tool is highly recommended. Check out the description for links to get started.